Good day everyone, I am Hilmarie M. Ganyalongo, a B.Ed 4 student from Paranglan of Campus. Today, I will present to you my assignment. Here are the 10 thoughts offered by some of the greatest scientists in history. First is Carl Sagan. According to him, science is a self-correcting process. Science fixes itself when mistakes are found, meaning to say, new ideas are only accepted if there is a strong evidence. Sa science, kapag may bagong ideya, hindi agad natin ito pinaniniwalaan. Kundi itatry natin ito ng madaming beses, susubukan natin at papatunayan natin. Kung may mali, babaguhin ito ng science. For example, before, people thought that the Earth was the center of the universe. Later on, the evidence showed that the Earth revolves around the Sun. So the old idea was corrected. Second, according to Lewis Thomas, a physician and educator, meaning to say, science will never 100% certain. Every new discovery can replace old beliefs. Habang natututo tayo ng bago, natutuklasan natin na kailangan pala natin baguhin ang mga dati nating paniniwala. For example, doctor once thought disease caused by bad air. Later on, germs were discovered and providing the old idea wrong. Third, according to Ernst Mayr, an evolutionary biologist in 1982, even mistakes in science can push people ask more questions, make discovery, and experiment. Even wrong ideas can help science move forward. Kahit mali ang isang ideya, pwede pa rin natin itong maging daan sa bagong kaalaman o para matuklasan ang tama. According to him, nor must we forget that in science there are no final truths. Meaning to say, science never has a final answer. Knowledge keeps growing and changing. Walang permanenteng sagot sa science dahil may laging panibagong tuklas. For example, in physics, Newton's law seemed final. But later on, Einstein's relativity gave a deeper explanation. According to Halton Arp, of course, if one ignores contradictory observation, one can claim to have an elegant or robust theory, but it isn't science. Real science listens to all evidence. If you are only accept what supports to your idea and ignore the rest, that's not true science. For example, if a student does an experiment and only writes down the result that makes them look right, that's cheating. It's not science. Sixth, according to Stephen Jay, science is not a heartless pursuit of objects, information. It is a creative human activity. Meaning to say, science is not just a boring data. It involves imagination, creativity, and passion. For example, cell phone. It is not just a technology. It is a creative idea to let people talk even when they are far apart. William Lawrence said that the important thing in science is not so much to obtain new facts as to discover new ways of thinking about them. Meaning to say, science is not only about collecting facts, it is about changing how we understand the world. Hindi sapat na may bagong kaalaman lang. Mas mahalaga kung paano ito natin naiintindihan sa bagong paraan. Example, we always knew apples fall down. But Newton thought about it differently and discovered gravity. Number 8, according to J. Robert, It is a profound and necessary truth that the deep things in science are not found because they are useful. They are found because it was possible to find them. Scientists don't always look for what is useful. Sometimes they just explore, and in the process, they discover something amazing. Minsan, ang mga pinakamahalagang bagay ay natutuklasan dahil kailangan, kundi dahil ito sa mga scientists na nagtatanong at nagsisiyasat, ganun din ang sila ay nagtutuklas. For example, gravity was discovered when Newton noticed a falling apple. Number 9, according to Irwin, science is a game. In the presentation of scientific problem, the other player is the good Lord. He has not only set the problem but also have to devise the rule of the game. Meaning to say, science is like solving a puzzle. Some answers are already there, but many you must discover through curiosity and effort. Sa science, hindi lahat ng sagot ibinibigay. Kailangan mong mag-isip, magtanong, at maghanap ng solusyon. For examples, with plants, we know they are grow. But science studies why and how they grow. And lastly, science is an integral part of culture. It is not this foreign thing done by the arcane priesthood. It's one of the glories of human intellectual tradition, according to Stephen Jay. Science is not just for scientists. It is part of everyone's life and helps societies to grow. For example, thanks to science, because we use electricity every day.